How can I build a connection with Allah Ta'ala? I will talk about one simple and the easiest way in which you can do that. There is a time in the day when He asks, is there anyone who needs something from me so I can give it to them? And that time is Tahajjud. And I will tell you one way through which Tahajjud will become the most natural part of your routine. Because nowadays I understand the struggle. Sometimes in life we really need something, so we pray Tahajjud. But what about the times that we simply want to get closer to Allah Ta'ala and become His favorite? I make sure that Tahajjud disrupts my sleep. And I go to Allah Ta'ala and I say, I am here, Allah Ta'ala. It was very difficult, but I love you and I am here. There were times when I felt so sleep deprived, but Tahajjud was something that I still needed because that's where I felt the closest to my Allah Ta'ala. Now, to the part about how you can make it the most natural part of your routine. Make this one dua a part of everything that you do. In every namaz, in every tasbih, and in every tahajjud. Allah Ta'ala, please help me never miss these three things in my life. My first namaz, making dua only to you, and my tahajjud. Now, sometimes I do need something specific in this world and I pray tahajjud. But other times, I just need and want to meet my Allah Ta'ala when the rest of the world sleeps. In every sajda, I make sure to ask Him, Allah Ta'ala, please make me your favorite. So, if you're struggling to find that connection with Allah Ta'ala, Tahajjud is the easiest way to go. Because how will He turn away someone who's trying every night just to get closer to Him?